taekwondo, Granny.
Okay, well.
I can see a dingleberry on your butt.
You built like a dingleberry.
You know what I'm saying? She got a doodle ball hanging out her ass hair. You can see it through her jerk. Look like you got a shot in the neck right there.
You put some lotion on.
Need some lotion. Look.
I want help with the change.
Why is this being
Why
brought?
you always hate?
Take it off time right now.
Hey, bro, he gotta go. He gotta go.
Y'all already know what's going down. We got one dude, Aaron the Plumber, versus 20 baddies, all trying to apply pressure. Will he fold, will he fumble, or will he be out here laying more pipe than a plumber on overtime with a leak in everything? Bro might need a union break after this one. It's finna get wild, it's finna get messy. It's all going down in a real way.
It's whatever, bro. It's whatever, bro. We can do whatever you want to do. We can hit, bro. What's up? We can really get it. What's happening? What's up? Hey, bro, he gotta go. He gotta go. He gotta go right now, bro. Nah, he balling, bro.
Get my chain off. Get my fucking chain off, bro. What's up, nigga?
Look at you, though. Let me see what you working with, though. Okay, real qualified, though. What you mean, am I serious?
You left me with the kids at home so you could do a 20v1.
Who are you?
Who the fuck are you? Why you playing with me like that? Why you playing with me like that? Who the fuck is that?
Where is the security, bro? I ain't even come over here. Hey, bro.
So for the first round right now, my ladies are coming in. It's the first round, or he just examining y'all. He's gonna let y'all know if he fucking with y'all based upon appearance or if he's not.
Why are you looking at me like that?
You taking me as a joke?
Oh my gosh, no I am not taking you as a
qualified.
joke. Disqualified.
Qualified, baby.
Qualified. I thought you said disqualified.
He said you qualify. He said you meet his standards.
In a real way.
In a real way.
Don't do too much.
You heard him.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm G Baby. Nice to meet you.
Hey G baby. Can I get a 360?
Here.
Okay, yeah, I'm a qualified G baby. I'm a G too, in a real way. Have you ever been in a G ride, baby?
No, I have not.
Okay, we gonna figure.
You gotta figure it out. You know what I'm saying? He can take you there.
Hey.
What's up?
What's up? What's going on?
I've been seeing you in the little the balloon videos and stuff.
Yeah, so you already know what I'm finna tell you, right?
Yeah, you disrespectful as
Yeah, you ain't qualified.
I don't
baby.
give a damn. I just want to know why you acting like you got short man syndrome.
I want to know why you came with the Medusa.
What
going on? All this
yeah,
going on, baby. I'm not feeling that.
So what's up, baby?
You turn them into stones?
Yeah, I do.
Oh man, I don't want no smoke, babe. Yeah. You got it. Don't turn me to those stones.
Yeah, but you
no
handsome
patch.
a little bit, but you disrespectful.
Okay.
And I came to check that shit.
Well.
Yeah.
You ain't qualified, baby. So.
Okay.
See you later, babe. Love you.
Oh shit. I feel like he a good dude. I don't know about the disrespectful. I don't know.
Hello, how are you doing?
Hey.
They call me Real Tasty.
Why they call you that?
I mean, you could guess, right?
I couldn't see why. I'm gonna have to not qualify you, baby.
Oh.
In a real way.
So my loss is yours.
Hey, my taste buds is tasteless right now.
Oh, she not qualified?
She ain't qualified.
Oh, she ain't me.
How you gonna say it's tasteless when you ain't even had a taste?
Hallelujah, I don't know how to taste, baby.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
This shit getting spicy, y'all.
How you doing?
Blacker the berry, sweeter the juice.
You know it.
Okay, I'm gonna qualify you this time.
Okay.
In a real way, though.
He jacking her, he jacking her.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, how you doing?
I'm great.
Yeah. I'm not gonna qualify you, baby.
Why?
You know, you're just a little too tall for me. You know, and
It's good for you.
It's good for me.
Yeah. I know how to do whatever.
I climb. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
Can you climb this tree though?
Not this one, baby.
It's all good.
You know, my hiking boots ain't working.
You lost.
Today. In a real way. Hopefully, I find something since I lost.
What's up, AA Ron?
Hey, what's up, baby?
How you doing?
What's your name?
Kaylin Whalen.
Kayla Ray.
Kaylin Whalen.
Kaylin, can you take the glasses off? Let me see. Okay.
Oh, you like the eye contact?
In a real way, I do. Yeah, I'm a qualified
I see how she looking at you, getting that look. You know what I'm saying? You know what that mean. You know what that mean.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, what's up, baby?
Nothing too major. What's up with you?
A whole lot. Can I get a 360?
You sure can?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I could definitely work with it.
Okay.
You know, have you ever had a plumber?
No, I haven't had a plumber before.
Would you like to try some plumber pipe?
I would love to, but I want to ask you a question.
No, that wasn't. You here to answer questions, not ask them.
Okay, cool. Next round.
In a real way, baby.
Talk your talk, my boy. Talk your talk, my boy. Let them know.
They wanted me to be man.
He said, I love it here.
I know we're gonna go stupid viral.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Ayana.
Hi.
She seemed nice.
Hi, Aaron.
In
Nice
a
to
real
meet
way,
you.
pretty smile.
She got manners.
You too.
In a real way, I'm a qualifier.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll qualify you too.
Okay, let me know then.
Jack and my boy, she's feeling him. My boy, pot your collar, my boy.
It must be my lucky day or something.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello.
I like your shirt.
I like you.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Thank
in
you.
a real way.
In a real way.
Pretty chocolate woman.
In a real motherfucking way.
know,
Y'all love something, y'all like what y'all see. I gotta stand on business.
Ain't nobody like me. That's
Your
basically
caliber,
what you're trying
yeah,
to say.
in a real way. That's
In a
what
real
I'm
way.
saying. So I'm gonna qualify you, babe.
Qualified. Thank you. In a real way, she qualified.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. How you doing?
I'm great.
Yeah.
Absolutely have two. What do you mean?
What y'all think about this one right here?
That's my slogan.
Okay.
You know, so I absolutely have to tell you. Can you do a 360 for me?
Oh, you wanna see it? You wanna see the whole thing?
Okay. The yammy yams. All right, we're gonna qualify her.
Thank you.
You know,
Oh, he like that one. He like that one right there. He like
that's
that one.
gonna be my little sneaky link right there.
The sneaky link, yo, stay tuned.
Only call her between the hours of 12 and 1.
You know what time that is?
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah.
Good. Trying to go to paradise.
You trying to go? Paradise is right in front of your face, baby.
Oh, he trying to go to paradise.
Can I get a 360? I see you got the.
Yeah, paradise. I said you trying to go to
Yeah,
paradise.
let me see.
Oh, she
Okay.
got the paradise on her stomach. Okay.
The paradise in a real way. We're gonna qualify her
Period.
in a real way. Yeah, you good. Man, Miami Beach,
Yeah.
Georgia Peach. You know what I'm saying? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. What's your name?
Anya.
Aya?
Anya, Tanya without the T.
Anya.
Yes.
Okay. Can I get a 360, Anya?
You said onion?
Onion, Anya. What? I'm gonna disqualify you, babe.
Okay.
All right.
So what's up with you getting beat up on Zeus? You wasn't gonna be able to protect me anyway.
It's an edited video, so.
Okay.
And I got a bag for it, but
Okay.
you could beat them feet up on up out of here, baby, because you ain't qualified.
Okay,
In
you
a real way.
Ninja Turtle
Yeah, beat them feet up out of here, baby. Them boxer boots.
coming from what are those?
In a real way.
What are those?
Next woman's turn.
Turtle.
She not qualified?
Your booty falling.
Like that face.
Yeah, in a
And
real
like
way.
nigga had you on the ground.
In a real, got a bag.
Crying.
Big bag.
Your pride.
I'm
Your
finna-
pride.
I'm finna cry over her next.
Your pride.
In a real way.
Hey, King.
Yeah, I'm ready to cry over you,
How you
baby.
doing today?
But you like this one a lot.
I'm ready to cry over her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
cry for me?
qualify her. Yeah.
You gotta qualify her.
In a real way.
Yeah, I heard him.
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
Okay, baby.
Hey, how you doing?
Man, I don't know. She's tall as hell, like a WNBA player or something.
Damn, you can't handle tall?
I mean, I would probably need a ladder to hit it from the back. Yeah, you just too tall for me.
I'm sorry,
No.
you're too short for me, but
I
it's
know.
okay.
I mean, maybe
it's your
I
preference.
need some platform shoes or something.
I mean,
so
they
I could
sell
get
them.
up there.
You could
They
probably
do.
get them.
So you'll work with me if I get them?
So she qualified?
Nah, I ain't gonna qualify her.
You
Just
know,
cause she just too tall for me. I love your braids though. They look spectacular.
That's it.
That's it, babe.
That's that.
I love you. Call me. Hey, will you call? You could call me though.
How you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm Juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
Why they call you Juice?
Oh, it's a childhood nickname.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just stuck with you since then?
Yeah, type shit.
Is it sweet like juice?
It is.
Yeah. What kind of juice though? Because if you say Tampico, then you ain't
No,
qualified.
baby, it's too much sugar. This all natural.
Okay.
I think she's talking about Kool-Aid.
Qualify her though. You know what I'm saying? I like organic juice.
In the gym.
All about my health. Yes.
Yeah.
I would love the juice in the gym.
Type.
We might have to try that exercise.
I seen you do that little bunny hop motherfucker.
Oh yeah. I'm a bunny baby.
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Doing good. How you doing?
I'm good.
Are you happy to see me?
Yeah.
I'm happy to see you. In a real way. Yeah.
I'm Ariel.
Ariel? Where you from, Ariel?
I'm from here.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 26.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna qualify Ariel.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, she's qualified.
He's jacking her. He likes her. He likes her.
Mm-hmm.
Like a little mermaid.
Walk a little slower, Ariel. Walk a little slow. I'm trying to see it in 3D.
He's trying to show it in real life.
How have you been, baby?
I've
Long
been
time
good.
no see.
Man, long time, Granny.
Yes, long
Granny.
time no see. You thought you really was a turtle, now didn't you?
Yeah. Hey.
You know I had you flapping.
Ooh, you sure did.
How you doing?
I'm good, Granny. I like them 18 to 80.
Okay.
Blind, cripple, or crazy.
Well, you know what? This thing gonna make
Back that, oh man, that thing loose.
Grandma knows.
Loose,
baby
Granny.
chicken noodle loose.
Ooh.
So what we doing?
I'm kind of scared right now.
Oh, you scared?
You know, I think you need to go to church.
Oh, go, no, baby, you
Yeah,
scared.
Granny,
So
you need
you
to-
go to church, amen?
I'm gonna qualify
No,
you,
we
Granny.
going now.
No, no,
All
we
these
ain't
other girls
qualifying.
can't- no,
Oh no, we ain't
I'm the
qualifying
OG.
you. Nah, Granny. Hey, this is a flagrant. Ejected out the game. Oh.
Grandma's flapping and flapping and.
Second degree trespassing.
Oh, Granny wildin'.
Hey man, what the fuck? What this nigga doing back over here, bruh? What you mean? It don't matter, bruh. You was still on some weird shit though, bruh. I didn't appreciate that shit. All right, bruh.
Chill moment.
All right.
I'm gonna relax. All right. We're gonna take this out.
Yep. After we gonna hit then, bruh, for surely then.
Handle your business. Do what you say you're gonna do. Do your video, man.
Man, fuck it. Let me. So it's least to finest in a real way. Wait, didn't I get into? Wait, you go to the back. Didn't I get into it with her? Nuh-uh. You come on.
You ain't get rid of me.
Come
I'm
on.
staying.
She gotta go to the back. I don't
know
get. Yeah, death row. Bring your ass to the back. In a real way, death row. Granny going number 1 in a real way. I think I'm gonna take. Yeah. I'm working with. I might just. Hey, Granny. Yeah, shit. Oh, whoa. Damn, Granny.
Don't play with Granny.
Yeah, Granny. Granny turned me on. You know what I'm saying? All right.
I'm telling aunties.
I think she gonna go second right here, huh? What happened?
Can we all just get along?
Yeah, we could get along, bro. Yeah, she gonna go second, but I don't like that this jailhouse tattoo she got right here. You know what I'm saying? It look like somebody stick and poke that motherfucker. You ever got a stick and poke? I want her to go third because her feet is long. You know what I'm saying? Long John Silver's. Thank you. Yeah, I love to eat there. Y'all ever been to Long John? I might. Yeah, in a real way. I'm gonna call you Littlefoot, babe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen Land Before Time?
Yeah.
Yeah, Littlefoot. That's Littlefoot right there. Then I want her to go. She could go next. We're gonna put her next in the lineup. Look at my Fantastic Four right there. In a real way. You know what I'm saying? I got all flavors.
Different moves.
The experience. This my most prized possession right here. You know what I'm saying? Granny got the most tricks. Got the chocolate. Okay, what else I need,
That
man?
Asian artifact over there, you know what I'm saying? Very valuable.
Who gonna be number 5? Yeah, I need some right here. Yep. Figure glass.
No shade. That's really number.
Yeah.
No shade.
Yeah,
That's
we're
really
gonna put her number
one.
5.
That's you, Aaron. You can handle that?
Yeah, I don't know if I can handle it, but I'm gonna pray I can.
Oh, you gonna pray? May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, my boy.
Yeah, I might have to work out
Hey, girl.
before I go see her. You know, all right, who gonna go number 6?
It's just your top 10 in no particular order. Let's see.
No, this is my particular order, my exact order. I wanna add some more chocolate back over here, you know?
No shade. I know
Yup.
you showing love to the chocolate girls, but it really good number 1. And I love you, Granny.
No,
I love you, Granny.
Oh, no.
Granny, I love you, but it really
Wait,
good
what do you
number
mean?
1.
Hold on, what do you mean?
I don't like how far
Granny is number
down.
1.
Honey, you ain't even dressed right.
Yeah.
Honey, it's giving one night stand.
Oh! Granny over here cooking. Granny cooked her.
I'm gonna be quiet.
That's why this is babe right here, okay? Y'all better not play about her. Y'all better not play about my babe.
That retirement check here?
I think we're gonna keep her right here, you know, in a real way.
I'm gonna be over there.
No, you right exactly where, well, you should be out of here.
No.
You should be out of here. What do you mean?
Why you keep playing
You
with
should
me
be,
in a real way?
I'm gonna put her right here. Her next, all right. All right, we're gonna play musical chairs now. All right, we're gonna switch places with the, I like licorice. So I need y'all next to each other. It's just giving me licorice.
Oh, you want the double trouble right there?
In a real way.
I just want to let you know,
Yeah.
and I say this in the most humblest way.
Yes.
I'm really a bad bitch, natural bitch.
Okay.
Get money, bitch. You should never have me at the end.
Hey,
Ever in your
Hey,
life,
babe.
for real, for real.
Hey.
I come with my own everything.
That
for
is
real. You know what
okay.
I'm saying? I don't have no kids, no nothing. I'm ready to get.
You
for
don't
real.
have no
So,
kids? Okay.
Like you did on
Pop
that little
your
show, I'm
shit.
going to walk out on you, and you know
Oh,
what you're missing. You know what I'm saying?
oh, my feelings is hurt. Oh, yeah, babe.
Don't worry about it. Another one
I'm not
bites the
worried.
dust.
Granny, come here.
Get out of here.
All right,
Get her out of here,
check this
baby.
out.
Bye, baby. See you in hell.
See you later, baby.
One more gotta go.
Well, we know Granny ain't going. You know, I'm gonna say, I can't let, no, I got into it with her, so she gotta go. Yeah, I got into it with her. I picked her. I picked her.
Yeah, crazy girl is here to stay.
Because,
Crazy girl is here to stay. You ain't get into it.
yeah, she was crazy. You
Yeah.
turned into stones and bones and, yeah, all of that. Yeah, I'm scared of that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm scared of that shit.
You gonna have to get rid of one of these other bitches. Dead homies.
She's scaring me. She's a gang member. Yeah, security. Yeah. Bye, Felicia.
What's your talent? Show me your talent. What you could do?
Yeah, show me your
You gotta
talent.
impress him, you know what I'm saying?
What the fuck is this?
Oh, I just felt like.
Well, you're missing out on a few things.
That pussy.
Oh.
She's scared.
Anyways, you know, I just came
That looked like it hurt, didn't it? You might need a physical after this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I think she might have fractured.
That shit. Oh, she hurt.
In a real way.
Oh, she qualified though or no?
The cheeks was cheeking. She wasn't qualified. She just tackled me and ran off. That's assault and some more shit.
You know we got security here. You can use it.
She didn't even ask my name. She just came and tackled the nigga. I didn't till you left. Then I loved it.
You gotta impress him, you know what I'm saying?
Or show us what makes you spontaneous.
Okay, so I'm an actress, so that's my talent.
Okay,
So I'm gonna do a monologue,
okay.
and I'm gonna use you as my muse. Is that okay with you? Okay.
You like role play?
Do you like role play?
I think that you'll know when I'm done.
Okay.
She talking on talk. All right.
Shit, I'm sweating now. I'm getting nervous.
So the film is about shame and guilt, correct? Mm-hmm. Your words, not mine.
Oh, she
I
went
have a
close.
question for you, Malcolm. Who's f***ing shame? Who's guilt? You don't know shit about shame and guilt. You have 2 parents, no bad habits, other than being a f***ing head and a college education.
I wish I had some.
Sorry, babe.
But out here, on these streets,
In the streets.
smiling fucking rich people,
Smiling.
they think you know what it means to scrap.
I don't.
Think you fucking lived it. Give me a fucking break.
Aaron, how you feel about that, man? How you feel about what she's saying
More
right now?
privilege.
Why you backing
than a
up,
white
bro?
girl
You
at
look like
LA
scared. I'm
Times.
backing up. I'm backing
Think
up.
she's
Stand
doing a
10
public
toes.
service.
Yeah.
You stand
By
on
doing
business.
your mediocre
Yeah, that's not
Okay.
like that.
ass a favor.
So you like that?
Hey, come back.
That was like some...
You gotta see if you
You gotta see if you
qualify.
qualify. You or not. Like, how you feel about her?
She gotta walk up for dramatic effects.
I felt like her words was just piercing my soul, like a sharp dagger. They were just penetrating me. I just loved everything she said, and I just want to cry over you in the next round, and I want you to stay, babe.
Okay.
Can I get a hug?
She made it to the next round, yeah.
Okay, little Miss Erica
All
Badu.
right.
She just pierced my soul, like, babe, where are you going? Okay. I'll be waiting.
How you felt about her, Aaron?
Woo, that girl, she
was speaking to you?
Yeah, she was.
She was speaking to
She
you.
was doing that soul talk, that Erykah Badu, you know? Erykah Badu.
We asked him a question.
Man, why the fuck is she back here, bruh?
Why you acting like that?
Can we get on with this shit? Like, show us your talent and come
My
on.
talent is putting this big on you.
Oh.
That was her talent, like that.
Yo, Aaron, you gotta control it.
Like I be doing yoga.
You missed that?
You gotta control it, man. You looking like, you know what I
Like
mean?
I really be doing yoga.
Yeah, I see.
How you feel about that, Aaron?
That's all you can do? That's all you work?
I can touch my hands.
Oh.
I touch my toes.
Yo, Aaron, I think you gotta help Plumber. You know what I'm saying?
Right, you gotta help Plumber, like.
I lost my license.
I think I backed up.
I lost my license, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be.
You lost your license in the railway?
I think I need a master, somebody more skilled than me, to handle this. I might not have all the credentials.
Oh, I think she wants you. Oh, all right, Aaron. I think she wants you.
Pick me up. You be ripping your shirt off and doing all that shit, you can't pick me up?
You jumped on me hella weird. What you?
Oh.
Come on now.
Right?
I kind of like this.
So you think she qualified? I mean, you didn't want her earlier, but you think she qualified now?
Sure, yeah.
Yo, y'all want to see any of that? Make sure I go on the Patreon.
Thanks, Ryan. Yo,
Yeah, the Patreon.
next round, bro, because what the f is
A
going
whole
on?
lot just happened right there. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh my God. Yo, you okay? Somebody get him a water.
How you feeling, man? You need a water?
Water.
Yeah, that was crazy right there, bro. Yo, Aaron. So what's up? She was lying about the kid though, or like
What? I don't even know her.
Oh nah.
Appreciate it.
I ain't got no talent to show you today.
You don't got no talents?
No.
What talent do you
Nothing.
have?
You ain't good at nothing.
I'm good at dancing.
Are you good at sucking?
No, I don't suck no. I'm sorry.
Oh, she ain't qualified.
I'm sorry, that's not my bad.
Aaron, how you feel? She said she's good at dancing. Maybe she can show you.
Oh, can you show us a dance? She said she wasn't good at nothing.
Matter of fact, I got you. Let me be a
I
W
ain't say I
man.
wasn't good at nothing. What are you good at? Plumbing?
I thought she said a lot of things.
A lot of things.
A lot of things, babe.
You good at plumbing?
I
Yeah.
gotta be a W man, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm gonna stand up right now.
What?
You're not getting no rise out of me. It ain't that.
Okay.
You can show him a little dance.
What'd I just say? Hell nah.
Okay, we're gonna disqualify her in a real way.
Disqualify your granny.
I didn't want to dance, no way, babe. This is entertainment. You not all that. Hey, little zebra stripe.
So we here for a talent?
Yeah.
I want you to show me your talent first.
Nah, that ain't what we're here to do.
Yeah, that's what
You're
it
supposed to
is.
be showing your
So I
talent.
gotta see if you can match mine.
It ain't no match.
you be doing?
It ain't. You in here? You the contestant.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
So
go
the only
ahead.
thing you do, your talent is plumbing.
I have multiple talents.
What else?
You know, a whole lot.
Yeah, what talent you can show Aaron right now? Like anything on your mind right now you could do.
Could be anything.
You could do a split. You could do a handstand. You could, you know what I mean? Like show him a little something
You
right
could do
now.
a backflip. It don't matter. You could sing. You could rap. Any talent you got.
The last girl said she could dance, but she wasn't dancing. You could dance or not? Wait, hold on. Take a seat, my brother. You know.
You could do a little dance for him. You don't gotta do too much, but give him a little.
I'm gonna do your little 10 seconds.
15, a little 15-second dance. Y'all, a little 15. You feel me?
3, babe.
Here, I'm gonna give you a little 3.
Yeah, give me a little 3 good
Oh,
ones.
all right. That was like 2 seconds, but hold on, like 8 more seconds.
That
8
didn't
more.
seem talented enough. I'm not amused. Where's the enthusiasm?
Bro, I'm smiling.
You gotta look him in the face.
Don't you want me to get on top of you?
I think that's what he want.
You're supposed to show us your talent. You know it's supposed to be, yeehaw, girl. Yeah, I'm seeing it.
This is the only talent I got, y'all. My talent is simple, and it get the job done.
Okay.
Is she qualified?
Yeah, we're gonna qualify her. She said she's gonna get it done. Man, that was the best one of my life. I'm I want you to do it again and again, girl.
It was the best one in the real way?
That was the best one I ever had.
What's your talent? What's your
You
talent?
gotta show me a talent. Like, you look talented though. I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
you
very
do.
talented.
What you talented?
I got a lot. Like,
Yeah.
A lot.
Like what? Show me something.
Everything. Y'all, can we get some music?
You like
You want
some
music?
Oh, I like that. Some music.
I'm from New York. No music.
You got a little clap, you know what I'm saying?
What?
Can we get some music?
Bounce it, biggity, bounce it. Like a soldier, you roll like a soldier, you roll like a, I don't know.
He look like he don't know what to do.
I got one more.
Okay, what is it?
Wait, I think you gotta sit on. Does he gotta sit on the ground or he good?
Oh, damn.
Is that thunder?
There's a lot going on right now.
Do you hear that?
What you put the
Hey, I think a letter just fell off this mother.
Put the mic in.
The letter fell off. That's
Put
how
the
much
mic
air
in
you
the
made. You made the letter fall off that.
Oh my God.
Ooh, she got too much.
Qualified?
Yeah, we're gonna qualify her, man. She made the letter fall off. I ain't never seen nobody do that one before. Hey, man, y'all should have been at Choice Awards, man. You know,
Next time we be there.
they should be at Choice Awards because they brought the choices today, man.
We rolling with you, right?
Next girl.
Okay.
Hey, King.
Hey, baby.
I don't really got no talent.
What? You
Not
gotta
too-
have a talent.
Not nothing too crazy.
Something. You
know,
gotta
I
be
ain't
good at
twerking
something.
and throwing no
You ain't gotta do nothing. What is you talented? Something. Can you spell? Do you know your times tables?
yeah.
You know?
I mean,
5 and 5.
What's 11 times 11?
Oh my God, please.
What
we
is
already
it?
qualified.
What's
though.
11 times
We
11?
we already qualified.
Wait, answer the question.
120.
Huh?
120. King.
120? 11 times 11 is 120?
Please, King, don't do me like that. I'm pretty. I'm
Okay.
pretty. So,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Babe, if I got 11 stacks and you can't count them up, you are not qualified, baby. 11?
I didn't know we was in math school, but you know, it's whatever.
You gotta redeem yourself. What's going on?
You gotta have a talent. I mean, you know how to dress. You got fashion.
Yeah,
you got,
y'all
you know,
see me,
so.
like, this is a talent to wake up and be a bad bitch. Like, come on now, like, go to sleep, wake up.
Well, it's plenty of
bad.
those around, so that can't be
Nah,
too big of a
nah,
talent.
when you go
It's
to
a
sleep
whole
and
lot
wake
of
up.
those. I mean, it's a room full of them. So, what's your talent? You know, what makes you spontaneous, unique? What makes you different than the rest of these women here?
I'm not a. What you talking about?
Oh, okay, that's a talent. Not being a hoe. Is that a talent to not be a hoe? Hey, we need
That
to
should be
have.
normal. I don't know,
comment.
man.
Is that a talent?
No comment.
You know what I mean?
Is that a talent? Oh, that's a good question.
It can be. I don't know.
Some of us like hoes, so you're not qualified.
I'm not qualified because I'm not a hoe. Fuck out of here.
You're not qualified.
Next
babe.
caller.
You know, BT.
I have to stick up for them too. You know? Gosh, you need to be a little more understanding.
Okay, hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
So it's the talent show with the biggest turtle though. So can you,
I can sing.
yeah, in a real way. So you got any talents?
I can sing.
Okay, let me
can
hear you
sing?
sing,
He
girl.
was qualified.
Oh wait,
You ready?
yes.
Love, I never knew what I was missing.
Hey.
But I knew once we started kissing,
No, we ain't.
I found.
No, we ain't.
That's my talent.
Okay. Oh, you add that part. No, we ain't. Add
No,
that.
we ain't.
No, sing it. Sing it though.
No, we ain't.
Oh, wait, qualify.
hit that high note,
Oh,
little
wait.
flip.
We're gonna qualify.
No, we ain't.
Say you qualify.
Qualified.
Oh,
Okay, I like that.
yeah, we're gonna qualify her. She came through with the Badu vibes, but I'm gonna call you Badon't, cause you ain't just there yet, baby.
But I don't.
How you doing?
Hey,
It's me again.
good to see ya.
Hello?
Welcome to the Talent Turtle Show in a
Period.
real way,
In a real
baby.
way. Check in, tap
Yeah.
in.
So would you go ahead and share your talent with us one time, for the one time?
I think I could sing a little bit.
A little bit.
You sing better than the last girl?
She
Oh,
sounded like she had an Adam's apple.
We gotta hear a little singing in. Nah, Adam was crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, go ahead. Fuck it up one time. And when I say fuck it up, I mean literally.
You gotta make him cry.
Hey.
Babe, I love you. You my everything. I'm your main bitch. Fuck over the ring. hand. We up in fast cars and we switching lanes. When I'm away from you, you always on my brain. We go together. Tell them we go together. We go together. Tell them we go together. What you waiting for? Tell them we go together. I swear.
I thought you was singing.
And I don't care.
Hold on, babe.
That's my talent.
Hold on.
Didn't it sound good, y'all?
Hold up, stop the trick. Let's get some understanding.
What y'all lady to sing that to
Ain't
y'all?
that what he said? Ain't that what he said? Hold up, stop the trick. Let's get some understanding.
Let's get some understanding.
I thought you was singing, not rapping,
That
man.
was singing.
That was like a rap to me.
What y'all think?
I need you to sing. Can you sing?
I don't know.
He gotta qualify you. He gotta qualify.
Do you know any Ray J song? Can you sing a Ray J song for me? If I had one wish, come on now.
I think that's
Well,
a song
come on.
everybody knows.
Let me hear you sing it. Come on.
Okay.
See that hamster in her head? That motherfucker stop running. That hamster stop running. That motherfucker ran out of water.
If I had one wish, we would be best friends. Love would never end.
Hey. Okay.
If I had one
Do it
wish,
then, baby.
you'd be my boo.
Uh-huh.
Promise to love you.
Okay, you gonna
I
let
trust
me?
you, you trust.
Okay, I'm gonna qualify you.
Yeah.
In a real way, we're gonna qualify her with that one.
We're gonna call.
If you didn't know the Ray J song, you was going home.
I knew the
babe.
one wish.
In a real way, we're gonna
Qualify?
qualify. Yeah, we gonna qualify.
Overly qualified.
Yeah.
How about that?
Okay.
In a real way.
Hey now.
How you doing?
I'm doing better than most, but not as good as some.
I got you.
You know, so
Okay, well, I have a podcast called Above the Wave Talk Show.
Okay.
So I can do a beat for y'all right now if y'all want to.
okay.
Let me see
Go
something.
ahead.
Okay, well, what's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? It's your girl, Lex from Above the Wave Talk Show. Today, I have Mr. Absolutely How To in the building. Tell us your biggest inspiration, your biggest inspiration, like what you want to do out of your life, the biggest thing you want to achieve.
You my biggest inspiration, babe.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
So what about me inspiring you right now?
I just wanna put peanut butter on you and tear your ass up. Mm-hmm.
I might want to do the
You
same.
look like a good oatmeal cream pie.
In a real way.
In a real way.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So maybe we could talk about the nasty things I want to do to you on your podcast
Okay, we can do
in
that.
the next round.
Okay.
Can we do that?
We can do that.
A rated R type podcast. We're gonna do it live though.
Okay, let go.
You with it?
I'm
All right,
with
baby.
Wow.
Her.
you.
Yeah,
Thank
we're gonna do a rated R like, yeah, we're gonna qualify her. We're gonna do a real rated R like man.
Get off me, bro.
Hey, what kind of,
Hey, bro, she's still on.
hey, is the coke wearing off?
Bro,
Whoa, there, fucko.
I got my talent, though.
Hey, hold on. But girl, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, you cute as hell, but you got a big ass booger in your nose right now. Like
This?
no, on the other side, it's hella long and wet.
You
Like,
trolling, bro.
nah,
Let me
for
troll
real.
you.
You got
Let
a
me troll
big.
you.
No, I'm not even
Get it
playing.
out. Get it
I'm
out.
not even playing.
Get it out. Get it
It's
out.
bleeding too.
Anyway, bro, I said get
Yeah.
off me, bro.
Hey, no, you need to get that booger back.
Nah, she too weak. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, bro. What the fuck going on?
Jesus be with me.
Don't
But
bring God into this.
This is my talent. But let me introduce myself first, because I ain't introduced myself.
Okay.
But I'm Kaylin Whalen, but also known as Cash Money Records, bringing over from 99-2000 Cash.
Do you
with
got
K.
Tourette's?
Maybe.
Cause you was. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, no, she's wild.
Why you eliminate my homegirl like that? And I really did not
Hey,
like
this is
that
a talent
lineup,
show,
though.
babe. This
that
is a
lineup,
talent
I
show.
told you I'm gonna save it for later. Now, it's later. It's later.
You're supposed to be showing us your talent.
This
Your
my talent. I'm trolling your ass, bro.
Oh, so you a troll? That's your
I'm
talent?
the biggest troll. I'm bigger than you.
I ain't seen you on my feed not one time.
You know
babe.
what? And then I did text you on TikTok. You said, DM me on TikTok. I'm going to text back. Your ass didn't text back.
Yo, Aaron, how you feel about him so far? How you feel about
I
him?
feel like this booger is just bothering me, bro. She needs to get this big.
She got a booger on her nose?
You accept me for who
For
I am,
one.
then what?
And she over here twitching and doing all of this stuff,
You
like,
can't help me fight the demons.
you know, the demons. Yeah.
Feel like she qualify or what you
I want
feeling?
to help. I want to qualify her to a rehab center.
Oh, to get help. You want to get help.
You know, we're trying to help all the women across the globe. You know, the Turtle Association. So we want to help this young lady right here get into a rehab facility. And
Who would you fighting?
Demons.
They fucking you up.
they whooping your ass.
They beat him.
I'm gonna have to disqualify you.
You know what?
Come back when you're sober. When you're sober, I'll love you. But when you're high, I don't love you anymore.
Demons is fucking. They jumping her. How much demons is it? The demons fight better than you?
Hola, papi. How you doing?
Oh,
Hola,
Very
¿cómo
nice.
estás?
in a real way.
So my talent is I'm gonna blow this balloon up with my pussy.
Whoa. What? Oh, I was finna say. What?
I don't want it. Wait, no, I'm just playing.
I was finna
I'm
say.
playing like a mother. You know that.
I was finna say, what?
Bust a rhyme real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a rap.
Okay, she got bars. Let me hear
Blow
something.
it.
Oh,
I'm gonna blow the balloon up while I rap.
okay. Blow it up.
No, I'm
There's gonna
just
be some
playing.
doodle in the balloon. She gonna have some doodle rocks in there.
Y'all ready? Y'all can't play a beat or anybody know how to? Anybody in here know how to do any of that shit? Oh God!
Oh, you got the beat for love.
With the doodle.
That's good. Hey.
Hey, okay.
Hey.
Go a little faster. I'm gonna go like this. Listen, get money ain't shit to me. Nigga love to smoke like a chimney. I'm hot, bitch. Yeah, 3rd degree.
Hey.
Y'all say hotter than me. I'ma ride his dick like a NASCAR. I ball hard like a superstar. I'm a bad bitch. King magazines. My booty bounce like a trampoline. Yeah, bitch. I'm amazing. I love a rich Caucasian. We in a farm whip like we Asian. Remy, Malaysian. My name ain't Superhead. You gonna be pussy whip, nigga brain dead.
Okay.
My name ain't Superhead. Pussy whip got on brain dead. Jeffersons, I love the Bills. Red bottoms on my high heels.
Hey, give me a, hey, she fucked it up one
Now
time.
pick me up
said,
if you strong enough.
please.
Pick me up now.
But she said I gotta pick her up.
Yeah.
Why everybody
I
want
want
me
to
to
see
pick
if he's
him
strong
up?
for real because you be acting strong.
What? Don't jump. Don't jump. Just
okay, don't
stand.
jump because a nigga can't handle me. No man can handle me. Ah!
What you mean? Can't no man handle
yeah.
you? Come on now.
You say he a plumber.
Oh yeah. I think he a little nervous.
Who nervous? You crazy?
I think he a little nervous.
Oh, she tried to. That's.
I think wait, put me down. I ain't got no panties. But yeah, wait.
Hey, when she breastfeed, baby, she get them drunk.
What?
Is she qualified?
I qualify myself.
Yeah, I'm a qualifier. Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that?
Do not play.
Huh?
What was that?
Yeah. Hey, she had the best fucking performance in a real way. I'm gonna have to give her a
Best one yet, right?
encore in this motherfucker.
How you felt overall about that? How you felt?
Yeah, she was cool in a real way.
She looking like something you can take home?
In a real way. In a real way.
I got something for you too, baby. You know how that motherfucking tree gave you some mints? It's a real bitch. It's a real one. You need some mints from
What the
yeah.
f is wrong with her, bro?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Don't let a motherfucking tranny play you like that. You that
Man,
nigga.
you seen what I did to that
And you-
motherfucker eye,
don't play with that
You know what I'm
shit,
saying?
no.
Oh, hell
Real
no, bro. She
bitches
tripping,
think-
bro. Y'all gonna let this girl pussy up?
What is going on in this motherfucker? This shit is crazy. Aaron got it. Aaron got it.
And I want to be that man ass.
How the mints is good?
Crazy,
The mints
bro.
is good, Aaron?
You still qualify her?
Mints is good. Pussy is good. Everything good over here. Welcome
Man,
to
bro,
paradise.
I don't appreciate her
Welcome to
putting the
paradise.
mints in my mouth, bro.
She qualified
But you
still?
could do it
Now
again.
you had a real
You could do
one.
it. I want you to do it again.
Oh, he said do it again. Oh.
Do it again. Yeah, give me
Want some more,
another
baby?
one.
You want some more,
In a
baby?
real way.
So the real way.
All right, you ain't gonna
Oh yeah. You
have me getting full on mints now.
Nah,
She qualified.
She still qualified?
Yeah, she qualified. In a real
You
way.
like the mints? You with the mints? You did your thing, girl.
Got grandma back in the building.
Don't seem like everything good.
What happened,
But
man?
you know what? Beyonce said, ring the alarm. But Granny is a big body being. I'ma ring the horn, baby.
Oh, really?
You know what?
Grandma wild.
Hold on.
Why you tripping?
I ain't tripping, baby. I'm
Why
getting
you do
ready.
that?
Get on your bar.
Okay.
I'ma burp you later, okay?
No.
A
bottle?
Granny.
Granny on different time.
I'm not gonna twerk because all them other girls was twerking.
Okay, Benny.
I'ma give it to you in a real way.
In a real way.
Now that little rap was real
In a
cute.
real way, Benny.
In a real
Real way, all right.
Give it to me, baby.
That rap was cute, but baby, listen to what Gran
Oh, Granny got some bars?
Granny about to spit
It's
something.
Granny shit.
Hey, Granny.
You fucking with Granny?
Don't need to tap in. I've been in. I came to win. I am your granny, so baby, you better listen in. You gotta have thick skin to go where I have been. That's why some of them young bucks like to just pretend. I never did that. I always spit facts, but they be ready to break your name like a Kit Kat.
That's football.
I'll snatch your wig back. Don't let these gray hairs fool you. Ain't no easy win.
Oh,
Up in my purse, so don't you ever doubt me.
Oh, she going to see.
So much so I never leave without it. I'm locked and loaded, baby. Don't make no sudden move. Yes, baby, in a real way.
In a real way.
You know what? I got some shit that'll bite you, baby. Bite you like a snake.
Granny put a snake out of that
It's gonna bite you like a snake. It's gonna bite you like a snake. You better get back. I don't think
stink.
Nah, he said it's steak.
Oh, it's stink.
Yo, Aaron, steak for real?
It stink.
Why that fossilized?
Damn, what is that yellow shit on it?
No, baby, I think that was that girl that gave you chlamydia.
Oh, nah.
I still ain't took the pill to cure it either.
Oh, Lord,
Damn,
but
I'm
turn.
just with you.
I can't do you.
No.
I can't do you, turn. What's up? You want the snake or not?
Yeah, sure, Granny.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
baby.
gonna take it.
Take it so you can remember me, because I got that real snap.
Oh. Yo, Aaron, she qualified now.
Qualified.
Amen.
I'm gonna get her my
In a real way.
So real quick, we're gonna go down the line. Pop the balloons are the ones you initially see that's not qualified.
The ones that's not qualified?
Like pop their balloon right now.
Okay.
And I'm gonna ask you why.
Let me see. No, I don't. I think I'm gonna go with.
You ain't popping.
Yeah, I'm popping y'all. I'm popping y'all.
Baby,
I'm popping y'all.
You can't fuck with us. Go down that line
Popping
and
y'all.
pop the rest of these.
Pop, pop, pop.
Security.
Security. All right.
I think you want to be the first.
Hey, you did me a favor. I didn't have to exercise my wrist popping your shit.
Why you pop the balloon?
Why'd I pop her balloon?
Yeah.
Because she was mean to me earlier.
All right.
Yeah.
You don't like meanies.
Yeah, I don't like mean girls. I can tell she's mean by looking at her. I want to pop her balloon. No, I want to pop her balloon.
You gotta let him pop it?
All right, will you pop her balloon for me, please? How she unplugged that motherfucker like that? Security. Security. Hey, look at her. Hey, look at her. Up. This is crazy. All right.
Who next?
You know, they made this real hard on me. Wait, security. How the hell she get back in the lineup?
True.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, damn. She tripping over me. I like that.
Leave him alone.
All right, we finna just.
Yeah.
That was it. That was it right there.
It ain't me. It's not me.
You're right. It definitely. It can't be men, baby. It can't.
Wait.
What's going on?
If it got popped, we need y'all to step to the side. Ladies.
Get in here.
She can't. Oh, my finger. Oh, she got some strong ass hands.
And it don't give
Hey.
a gonna disqualify me. Why did you pop my balloon?
Huh?
Why did you pop my balloon?
Oh, because she won. She gave the energy right now. She just tripped on everybody. She just won right now. She just.
Let me get my toe. Granny, y'all. Come here. Hold on.
Well, you know what? Listen. I'm going to say this, honey. You're dealing with a sinner tonight, and you don't want to go to hell. Honey, it look good, but everything look good ain't good. Honey, God like pretty, but he wasn't too crazy about it. Remember that.
Grab who you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know.
We don't want no bottles. He wants some milk.
If you want
He want
that,
this. He's
Granny,
your
she's
bottle
right,
right
Granny.
here.
Y'all know I love to get beat up, so I need somebody that's gonna get beat up with me.
You gonna get
Okay?
beat up.
Yeah.
You gonna get beat up with
I'm
a lot of
gonna take her.
STD. But it's okay. I'm gonna pray for you tonight, because
Oh.
it's Sin City.
I just got one question.
How do you feel about
If
her?
I cry over you, Are you gonna heal my wounds when I lose my battles?
Most definitely, I'm gonna fight for you.
Oh, in a way.
Can't fuck with me. You just
Hug
see
it
me.
out,
I'm
hug it out.
popping the balloon for you.
Oh,
Bye.
okay.
To the sunset. Go ahead.
Okay. I think this is the.
Beat it.
Oh,
Y'all beat it. Right out.
Oh, granted.
Oh, video.
Oh, granted. Oh, granted. Oh, granted.
So how do you feel? Like you feel like you found love today and all of that? You feel like you found
I feel like, we're gonna see where this thing goes, you feel me, in a real way. I don't know where this thing gonna take us, but we're gonna find out, you know what I'm saying, where the journey goes.
I feel like you did find the right one. I feel like I
You know what I'm saying? Your boy was, you know what I'm saying, acting like he me or something. I ain't like that, man.
I like that
Feel me?
shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You over there, shit. I wanna like hash it out right now.
It's whatever, bro. We can squabble, we can hit. I ain't tripping. I signed the waiver, bro. So, you feel me? I ain't tripping. Ain't no sin. All right, for sure. Yeah, I'm on it.
We don't duck no, we don't duck shit and you cool and shit. Look, shake it.
Bro, I'm from Cali, bro. I'm Stockton.
Look, we gonna make it shake and we gonna be friends after.
Yeah, for sure. That's good, bro, but I need that though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't like that shit earlier, bro. That shit outside, bro.
What the fuck you taking off that shirt so high?
We gotta get that money though. What you trying to do, bro?
You ain't want us though.
I mean, I'm cool, man. I think outside.
And you better fucking win. You better fucking win, cause this shit death row around this bitch.
That's what we doing? That's what we doing? What's up?